Are baby boomers strangling the economy by refusing to move or retire? 2026. Are baby boomers strangling the economy by refusing to move or retire? This growing issue could be choking economic growth and housing markets right now, affecting you more than you think. More than half of baby boomers are choosing not to move or retire as expected. This trend creates a bottleneck in the housing market, where fewer homes become available for younger generations. Companies and economists warn this pig in the python effect is strangling economic growth. The refusal to downsize or relocate means less mobility and fewer job openings, slowing the economy baby boomers helped create. Fortune reports this trend is causing significant challenges for both housing markets and labor dynamics. Millennials and Gen Z are squeezed by baby boomers holding onto homes and jobs. With fewer homes for sale, younger buyers struggle to enter the market. At the same time, older workers delaying retirement reduce job openings. This dynamic constrains economic mobility for younger people and disrupts the workforce pipeline. Companies find it harder to find skilled workers, and housing affordability worsens, creating a ripple effect across the economy. The economic impact of baby boomers staying put is profound. When older workers delay retirement, companies cannot promote younger employees or fill new positions, stalling productivity. Meanwhile, low housing turnover restricts consumer spending and investment as people remain tied to their current homes. Experts argue that this pig in the python effect causes a strangling of the economy's natural flow. Fortune details how this trend threat to stall the economy boomers once fueled with their spending and entrepreneurship. If baby boomers keep holding onto homes and jobs, the economy could face continued stagnation. Policymakers and businesses may need to incentivize retirement and home downsizing to free up resources. Without action, younger generations will face harsher economic conditions, from fewer jobs to skyrocketing home prices. Fortune highlights this as a critical moment to address the demographic stranglehold on the economy to ensure future growth and stability. Knowing about the baby boomer impact on the economy can help you make smarter financial decisions. If you are a younger buyer, prepare for a competitive housing market. If you're approaching retirement age, consider how your choices affect the broader economy and your legacy. Staying informed can help you navigate a tough job market and plan your finances amid these demographic shifts. Staying flexible and aware is key in this evolving economic landscape. What this means for you is clear. The baby boomer generation's decisions about when to move or retire are shaping your economic future. Whether you're buying a home or seeking a job, this demographic trend impacts your opportunities and finances. Stay informed, plan ahead, and subscribe for the latest insights on how these shifts affect your life and wallet.